What is five element? How understand of the five elements? I'll give you some the tip for understanding of the five element by using of these two picture. Now please take a look at the first picture. This picture shows the relationship between five elements. How about the second picture? Second picture shows the character of the five elements. Okay, now we go over to the character first. As you see the diagram on the board, the first one, top area, I put the fire, and lower portion there's water, and also middle part there's earth. This same order as like the human body. Which organ correspond with the fire? Usually heart. Yes. So this is the heart. And how about the earth? There's a spleen. And how about the water? That will be kidney and urinary bladder. Mostly kidney and urinary bladder is lower, sited very lower than the other organ. Anyway, this is the heart. But in nature, the fire has character which is blazing upward, as like the fire on the nature. So the chi direction of the chi direction usually go up. That related with the fire organ or fire character. So that's why if you have heat in certain organ, the most of the sign and symptom will be appear in the above part, such as liver fire. You have red eyes and vertex pain, the vertex headache, such as the distension type. And anyway, that is a fire type of it has a fire character which easily affect the upper body part. Even the stomach fire, also you have gums bleeding or nose bleeding too. It's also same reason. And also the water. Water is the flow downward in nature. Usually higher the water flow from up higher elevation to the lower elevation. So that we call the water's character. So chi flow downward, that indicate the water. And also another one, wood. Wood is, they usually go out as like the sprout on the tree, sprout of the tree in spring season. How about the metal? Metal is the opposite direction. It located opposite side, so it has a different character or opposite in character. And in chi movement, one is go up and the other one goes down and goes in and out. And this is what? The neutral, which is stable. So this we call the stable or neutral. And when you see this one, the neutral, it means there's no character. So please take a look, the water and wood. If you apply to the seasons, that will be winter season. Oops. Winter season. And how about this one? Spring season. But someday in between this period, if they adhere, that belongs to spring season. How about this one? It classifies into what? Winter season. But between these two, that will be what? Neutralize the part which not belongs to spring, not belongs to winter. That is neutral. And middle portion, that actually we put what? Earth. So earth is here. And also, earth is not only located between winter and spring season, it also located between spring and summer season, summer and the fall season, between fall and winter season. So we have 4 different type of the earth. All these are located, all these are the center or neutral in nature. So that we call the earth. So this picture is really important to understanding of the 5 elements character, because the earth has another option or character which is to produce everything. But when you look at this area under this circle, the winter changes into spring, spring changes into summer, as you know, and summer changes into autumn, which is fall season changes into winter. But this is circle. But as you know, as you see, all elements, the fire element or metal elements, or even the water or wood element, everything comes out from the earth. So the earth creates everything. This the character, the earth creates everything or produce everything. So if you tonic something, the which part you should tonic? The earth should be tonic because it creates everything or produce everything. So what taste is good for the tonic? Earth related taste, which is sweet taste, right? And also we can put the numeric number in this picture. So number, usually every element starts from the water. And if there's an in, this belongs to in. If there's an in, there must be yang. So if there's a water, there's a what? Fire. So fire will be second one. And also go out first and return it when it goes in. And finally, number 5 belongs to earth. And also another number starts with in type of the number, the 6 at here. And also 7 and 8, 9 and 10. We discussed earth, how create everything. So we used some formula which is a great tonic decoction, which is called the Sichun Da Bu Tang. What is that for? As you know, qi, blood, and yang tonic, right? This formula tonic of the qi, blood, and yang. But actually this formula called the great tonic, which means create everything. Okay, so that's why the 10 ingredient is good for what? The strengthen the middle jaw and the produce everything. And also there's another thing which is 6 ingredient, which is good for the nourish the water, which is Liu Wei Dianhuan is good formula for nourish the kidney in, because number 6 is great number which nourish the kidney. And also there's a many many formula named the numeric number which indicate what the each elements. Okay, and also when you see this picture, everything comes out from the earth. That means there's one school in ancient time, thousands of years ago, the Dr. Li created this school. If you treat any kinds of the disorder, you have to treat middle jaw first, because every elements come out from what? The earth. So that's why they made some formula. He made some formula Fuzhong each tongue. Fuzhong each tongue is good for the what? The tonic of the middle jaw function, which is treat most of the disorder. So you have to prescribe some of the formula for some of the condition. You can prescribe this formula to several days and then treat the detail treat each element, the later of the prescribed, the Fuzhong each tongue. Okay, and this is a good example. And we go over to another one. But why we study of this element's character? If you understand of the certain organ's function by using of this character, you may have more information, and also you easy to keep each organ's function in TCM. It will be easy to more easy to study and keep the function. Okay, so please take a look at the next picture. Okay.